Welcome to Quiet. Nestled in the heart of a serene neighborhood, where tranquility meets luxury, lies your dream home. Step inside this custom-built masterpiece, boasting 2,400 square feet of elegant living space. You'll find 3 bedrooms, 2 baths and a private office den for work or relaxation. With soaring ceilings and luxury finishes throughout, every corner exudes sophistication and comfort. Indulge your culinary senses in the gourmet kitchen, where every meal becomes a culinary delight. From the custom built-in shelving in closets to the spacious laundry area and a 2-car garage with ample space for vehicles and storage. Enter your luxurious master suite, a tranquil retreat with spa like in-suite bath and a large walk-in closet that will accommodate your entire wardrobe. Outside, unwind in your own private oasis, double-locked, surrounded by lush greenery and ample space to relax and entertain. Plenty of room to add a pool. Discover the perfect blend of luxury and tranquility in this custom-built retreat. Welcome home to Quiet.